Artificial intelligence and machine learning specialists. Artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies are becoming more commonplace and will have a huge impact on companies, industries, and healthcare. Therefore, artificial intelligence experts and machine learning experts will be in great demand in the future. Data scientists and analysts. Data underpins business decisions in many industries today. Data scientists and analysts will help companies increase their competitive advantage by extracting meaningful insights from large masses of data. Remote healthcare professionals. Advances in technology and the aging population around the world will increase the demand for remote healthcare services. By working in the field of telemedicine, remote healthcare professionals will facilitate access to healthcare services and better respond to patients' needs. Blockchain experts. Blockchain technology will begin to gain more acceptance in many sectors such as finance, health, and security. Blockchain professionals can reap huge profits by providing solutions for secure and transparent data transactions. Virtual and augmented reality professionals. Demand for virtual and augmented reality technologies will increase in entertainment, education, design, and other industries. Experts in this field can earn on content development and experience design. Digital marketing professionals. The internet and digital platforms have changed the world of marketing. Digital marketers will also be a lucrative profession in the future, helping companies grow their online presence and engage with their target audience.